Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Hi, this is Hank from Metro Tree Removal Service. I'm calling to confirm your appointment tomorrow to remove the tree in your front area.
We didn't call anybody and move any trees.
Hang on, let me continue. I have a work order here with this contact number to cut down a large tree at your address. Were you aware of this?
No.
Let me look at the paperwork here. Yep, 9 a.m. tomorrow. We're bringing in the heavy machinery
You're
to
not
remove
bringing
it.
anybody to bring anybody place and stop the funny calls, okay? Goodbye.
Well, it looks like you didn't order it, but all the addresses on either side and across the street are listed as the contact info.
All right, stop the fooling around. There's no such thing. Call somebody
it looks like
else.
they all
You
chipped
made a
in
mistake.
to get rid of your tree. No pun intended.
Well, just stop the call, okay? You're wrong.
In the comments section of the work order, it says, quote, please remove this ugly eyesore ASAP, unquote.
I don't know anything about it. I didn't call anybody, and stop the calls, okay?
Well, you'll have to take this up with your neighbors. In the interim, we'll see you tomorrow morning. You'll want to clear out any personal items from the area.
All right, I'm calling the police right now.
Well, thanks for your business, and we'll get rid of that ugly tree lickety-split.
Yeah, we'll get rid of you, too.